In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to set up and customize your Wix website with ease. Whether you're new to Wix or you've been using it for a while, this guide will help you make the most of its features. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix setup page. This is where the magic begins. To do this, simply navigate to manage.wix.com and log into your account. Once there, you'll find the setup section waiting for you, with various tools to help streamline the creation and management of your site. This setup page is particularly useful because it brings all the necessary tools and features together in one place, making your navigation a breeze. If you haven't signed up for an account yet, you'll need to do that first. It's a simple process and will ensure that you have access to all the exciting features Wix has to offer. Next, we're going to switch gears and move over to the Wix editor. Head to editor.wix.com and locate the Add Elements option. This is one of the most powerful tools at your disposal. Clicking on it will open a plethora of elements you can add to your pages, such as text boxes, images, buttons, and more. Take a moment to explore the different possibilities and think about how you want each element to enhance your site's design and functionality. Each element is customizable, so whatever your vision, Wix can likely accommodate it. Now onto the creative part. You're going to click and drag a yellow banner onto your page. This banner can be used to highlight significant announcements or features you want your visitors to notice immediately. Once you have it on your page, use the customization tools within the editor to change the text, adjust the colors, and even modify the layout to suit your site's style. Think about the message you want the banner to convey and tweak it until it perfectly fits your brand. The final step in this initial customization process is one you must remember to do frequently. Click on Save. It's crucial to save your work periodically to prevent losing any changes you've made. Nothing is more frustrating than investing time into your site's design only to lose progress because you forgot to save. Fortunately, the Wix editor makes this process simple by prominently displaying the Save button for easy access. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've taken significant strides towards building a stunning Wix website tailored to your needs. Remember, Wix's tools are designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, so keep experimenting and exploring to uncover all the features Wix has in store for you. Thanks for joining me today, and happy website building.